A good look at Comet Ison as it grazed the sun. NASA solar astrophysicist Alex Young was excited.
What makes comets really, really exciting is that they are fossils from the early solar system. They are pieces of pristine material from the formation of the planets and formation of the sun. So studying comets gives us a look back in the past and allows us to see the conditions 4.5 billion years ago.
But Comet Ison appears to have perished like an ice block on a barbecue. It saddens astrophysics professor Tim O'Brien from Manchester University.
It looks like it's fading away, which maybe suggests that the whole nucleus of the comet has broken up and the dust is being vaporised. So right this minute, I think everybody is a little bit down about it, actually.
He spoke in an interview with the BBC. The so-called Comet of the Century was discovered by a Russian team in September last year.
So it's been monitored now for some time, actually, so there's already some good science that's been done on it. And in fact, the analysis of these observations and the way in which it's disintegrated will also teach us a lot more. So all these instruments are trained on it, and the scientific results will come out as we go on. But it's unfortunate, really, that it looks, I must say, you know, I suppose there's a tiny, faint hope that something will come out of it, and we maybe even see something ourselves in the next week or two, you know, even just with the naked eye. But doesn't look good right now.
Comet Ison was expected to undergo temperatures of 2700 Celsius as it made its journey around the sun. It was estimated that as the comet heated up, it would lose 3 million tonnes of its mass. Professor Tim O'Brien from NASA, speaking before the comet vanished, said comets which fly close to the sun are seen quite often.
We've seen many, many sun-grazing comets, almost 3,000 of them with solar telescopes, but we've only seen a couple really, really close to the solar atmosphere, and we've only seen one really close that made it past Comet Lovejoy.
Comet Ison was 10 times bigger than Lovejoy. If it's gone, Comet Ison's a big loss for science. It took a little over 5 million years to reach this neighbourhood. The comet originated in a grouping of debris halfway between the sun and the next closest star. Comet Ison had been behaving erratically in the last few days. It would shine brighter before suddenly losing its luminous intensity. Even then, some astronomers were already wondering if the comet of the century was disintegrating.
Brendan Trenbarth. And that is all from the World Today team for this week. Our executive producers.
Behold, Comet Ison. It has gone. Dum da dum 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 dum. Bit of a bummer for all the alien UFO conspiracy theorists, eh? Ciao.